Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I am showing how to draw a cow. First of all, we will draw a X like this. And now we will take a circle here like this and this. And now we will make a big circle. And I like a circle, small circles, and small leaves here upside, like they will like his ears. And now it's now a very big circle. It will be like this, and here it. Now we will make lines here, 3 lines, and these are its legs. 3 lines, and these are its legs. And again here 3 lines. And its tail. And now small circles and shapes here. It will give it a look like a real cow. Watch this, our cow is ready now. You can watch. So please, if you like my video, so subscribe my channel and don't forget to like this video please. And now you can watch it, and Allah Hafiz.